Hi, I'm Mint, fresh, cool, and ready. Let's jump inside your body in seconds. I can help you feel more open breathing by clearing that stuffy feeling in your nose. When your throat feels irritated, Mint can bring a soothing, cooling sensation. Mint helps your mouth feel cleaner and your breath feel fresher fast. It may ease bloating by helping gas bubbles calm down in your digestive system. If your stomach feels unsettled, mint can help it feel calmer and steadier. Mint's aroma can help you feel more alert and mentally refreshed. On skin, mint can give a temporary cooling feel that helps with mild itchiness. And it brings antioxidants that support your cells against daily stress. Try mint tea. Steep the leaves and sip slowly for a gentle, comforting drink. Or make mint-infused water with ice for an easy all-day refresh. Toss mint into salads for a bright flavor boost and a fresh crunch. Mix mint into yogurt bowls for a cool, creamy snack. Blend a quick mint sauce to pair with savory meals. If you get reflux, mint may bother some people. Start small and see how you feel. Avoid swallowing concentrated mint oils. Fresh leaves are the safer choice. Want more helpful health tips? Like and follow our channel. Bye-bye.